Susie. What are you doing? Susie's deaf. And can't hear anything, so she will never wake up. Molly, do you hear her? Molly. Hey, let's wake up. Wanna go outside? Susie, we gotta go outside. Oh, you're awake? You gotta go outside? Come on. Wanna go outside? I know you're ready. You wanna go outside? Let's see what Sue's doing. Come on, let's go outside. Outside? Let's go outside. Come on. You